Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope you're all doing well. We're in the gorgeous capital, Valletta of Malta, and we're going to see Wagwan. Right, so straight behind, got a lovely statue. It says Independizia, so I think it's Miss Independent. Makes me think of Destiny's Child, all the ladies. But yeah, so we're going to take a little walk around Valletta, and then we've got a lovely restaurant reservation. Wow, yeah, gold bird. Right, hang on. Right, let me shut up for a minute because no one actually wants to hear me. And we'll get these views in. Massive. Don't know what that is down there. Got Christmas. Little stuff going on there. I didn't get that eagle, but Kirk took a photo because this camera doesn't really zoom. And he can insert it here. We do this and I say it, and if you've watched any of our videos, most of the time Kirk does not insert the picture here. So if you didn't see it, I apologise, but it was a gold. Yeah, I just say that got like a Christmas market. Oh, little, yeah, take a nice little romantic, I don't know, round here, I guess. It's nice to do that at night, I think, sometimes. Got another statue. So there's the trees, everything's sort of hidden, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Wow, and then we've got this massive fountain coming up.
Look at that.
Wow, yeah.
The statues on that. They're all like Poseidon or whatever it is. They're fish people.
Yeah. Merman.
Merman.
Merman. So here's another carriage. If you want to go horse and carriage. So let's have a look. Ah, well that is important too. So everyone do. I actually have a friend struggling with that at the moment. Check. I know he has prostate, I do apologise, but...
Oh, there's for men's balls?
Yeah, that was check testicles,
All
yeah.
the girls are doing it.
Well, we should check you. Well,
we should check you.
We can check you too.
I'm checked.
You're checked, but obviously check yourself. Right. Let's have a look at the front of this statue, because at the moment we just got the behinds. Let's try and get the front of this. It's very big though, it's massive. It's not filled at the moment, but I'm guessing when it is, it's a real feature. Maybe they do light shows and stuff here. Right, there is some women who are blowing whistles. I'm not sure what it is.
I think you said it's what with the prostate.
Oh, maybe. Oh, no, I don't know.
That's what you said.
No, there was a sign.
For women.
Right, don't, when he edits this, he'll see it. Right,
fountain.
so fountain. Holding up that bowl. Oh, they kind of look like, yeah, definitely like merman. There's an episode of Buffy actually where a guy gets turned into like an alligator sort of thing. It looks like that a little bit. Random, sort of.
Hold on, let's wait for these guys.
Yeah, we're going to wait because, like I said, there is some. I don't know if they're on a Hindu or if it's a party, but let's have a look at there. Got some people. I don't know if you can see sitting up there, which is pretty cool and also a little scary if you don't like heights. Basically, that looks down to a car park because we went to Valletta yesterday as well, and we walked around sort of like the other side. But yeah, this is really, really nice. In the background, I don't know if you can see the church.
Definitely looks like it's good rain today, actually.
Yeah, it's really cloudy. Like if you watch our content, obviously from our other Valletta content, you'll see one day is going to be like really bright, and today is a little bit cloudier. But it was lovely this morning, so we got some sun first thing, and then yeah, it's gone a little bit cloudy. Cloudy. But yeah, we've been really lucky with the weather though. Really nice the day we got here. Really nice yesterday. We had a good couple of hours of sun this morning. There we go. Right, well, I can still hear them from here.
There's a lot of girls listening.
Yeah, they got a lot of whistles.
So just keep going. That's
Yeah.
where we're going, so.
Yeah, we've got to actually get to somewhere.
Yeah.
We got a date with a roof terrace. There we go, let's have a look. Got the stamp there, the royal family. The Commonwealth Walkway. So that is what we are walking on now. And then let's have a look. Little cafe over there. Nice little seating area, isn't it? Like a park, but a concrete, yeah. Concrete park. Nice little area here as well. We've got lots of restaurants and shops.
And next to where the Burger King is, isn't it?
Yeah, this is, yeah, we went to Burger King. Very busy. There we go. Nice stairs. And you got some on the other side.
So if you're a stair person,
Yeah, if you want to go up some stairs, I suppose you could do the Rocky, couldn't you? Do the theme tune. Don't know what that building is there.
sort of museum from here.
Yeah, it's cool. And then up there you've got, does that say justice for Jean someone? Don't know what that's about. Comment below if you do. So yeah, you got pizza, Burger King. What's this place? Happy Hour, George's. George's Kitchen.
Wembley store coming up.
Yeah, Wembley store. We did try to go to a Tottenham pub yesterday, but it was closed. I was very excited because we rarely get a Tottenham pub. We went to one in Lanzarote. So do check out that video. So if that was open, that would have been nice. Oh, it's like an art class there or something. Everyone's doing like a drawing. It's a nice one. That looks like a museum as well in there. Tapestry. So if you like your tapestry. So we've got some gorgeous pieces in there. And then yeah, we're coming into like the main hustle and bustle. So this is like the main high street. So we'll just come through. So there's the Wembley store. Fine wine and food. It's closed down, yeah. So you've got all these lovely little kind of side streets. So yeah, this is all your sort of shopping. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. It really helps. And we do appreciate it. And everyone who has, thank you so much. So they've already got their Christmas lights up around here. Big debate. How early is too early to put up your Christmas decorations? Comment below. Aww. Sorry. Even though people just wanted to walk past. Very cute. Yeah, so how early is too early? Obviously for stores and stuff, I get it, they've already got theirs out, but I'm talking more like your home. What is the rules in your household? Christmas songs as well, that's another one that people are getting a bit, is it too early? I don't think so. My eyes defrosted, so Christmas is upon us. Tiffany's, ice cream next to Mackie D's. Fun to walk down. Not to walk up. You've got a Hard Rock Cafe as well. So yeah, it's very much like being in the UK. It's very straight. Obviously the weather and the architecture is better. Right, let's stop it at a Hard Rock shop, eh? Right, we've got to get to our reservation, so I'll see you guys on the next video.
Tony's pressing it. There you go.
There we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.